he do all these things for me and did it for me. And in turn out for me, my husband, and turn out for my baby father. Find any time me and the boy talk and find any time until now, we not left. Nah, nothing like that. Yes, me give him bun, but me give him bun with woman. Cause me love woman, but I'm not call that bun cause he know say me there with woman. So it's not like it a hide. Me not really love man, me love woman. And me feel like a way man him do me na pass why me get to love woman. So probably if me did love man, me don't cheat on him. Me don't know, but me kinda love woman. Bad. So me love me woman them. I just me pregnant now. Why am I not really I go there with no woman? No, cause I know you're pregnant, you have to just change your life for look a while. So that me do. So in come here and in having big garage, you know. In big garage you have you know. And all them look something there. And me and my little car rental. And them look something from there. She's still there, you know. She said, I'm telling her she got art, you know. So she get to do the CARICOM business so she can live over here too. And at the same work, me all me workless, you know, all me jobless now. Me left my work for she, you know. And so comes me get jobless now Barbados, you know. Cause me I say, me make my friend come here. Me know I'm a friend there here. Cause make sure left her call center work and come here. So me I say, me know I'm a friend to come here. I'm a friend now work or nothing like that. So me left my work and give to she. And me used to go at the workplace and I help her to do what she do. And me not get paid, but me still you know come on she have something to do. Cause me nobody comes to me make them come to Barbados and now work and things like that then. So me left my work for she. And them like something and I greatest thing me ever do, cause I motivate me to do something for myself. And them like, as much as me and talk with them, I see her, I walk at work and me tap and pick her up. And I go, here no don't drop me right now workplace, drop me because she shame. She don't want people to say me drop her at work. And the girl never look at me and say, boy, Tamara, I'm happy say you drive, you know. Me happy the girl never look at me and say that she just have this bad mind look. You know? Like what she dirty girl start drive now. I'm born the 24th of April. So I'm and him until now we live together. And all him something there. He treat me the best. Right now, like he treat me the best when I'm pregnant. I know I'm pregnant, he don't want me to do nothing. He get up, he make me breakfast, egg and bread, no see me eat it, he make it for me, man, cover it up for me. And them look something there. And as no long me I try to get pregnant to the boy and we have to go do the IVF or whatever and it finally come true. So we have a first picking it together. I feel him first and I'm my first. So, you know, we kinda happy and you know, they look away there. I'm respect him because him take me out of Jamaica. He could have go send money for me come to Canada. He make me explore first. You know, he make me explore the place. Me meet him when he was 26. And I was 19. So no the calculation now. Me meet him when me are 19 and him at 26. So no the calculation now. I know me at 27. Hey, sometimes I remember my money age, you know. But you know the calculation. You never forget to know money age, yeah. I mean that. Everything is like 8 years on me and him day and something. So yeah, my 34. Yes, my 34. No, the calculation good. Yeah. I look something there. So and me and him same way. Because me not gonna say we're perfect, because we fight. Them things that happened. Right, I yesterday remember. Because we fight, so what did daddy have to say? His daddy used to tell him, say, why not go left somebody and go get one baby? I understand that car true. Me and him I try to get pregnant and I could get pregnant and then look something. He might influence his son if he left me and go breed somebody and then look away the way. Me still not like him father. I still don't like him father, but you know. I done my father-in-law, I cannot do nothing about it, but I still do not like him father. And he post up on his status where they say baby on the way and whatever. And father, but you never tell me, so I got my grandson. Whatever. So if father, even though if father cannot believe that me and his son still there, can't believe that me and the girl where your son come down from foreign and me give him a first fuck. The first fuck I give him, he hold him until this is the day and still there, he ain't going nowhere. Yeah, twin me I have. So, you know, so sometimes in life, you have a child and a man. That is why I tell you, me no say, my man can't left me, you know. But things where them when me and him go through, and him say, as a young girl, enough girl that left your man gone, don't get me wrong, sometimes he don't have no money, you know. And all the time he have money, sometimes he don't have no money at all. I mean, use my money for me and him. Because sometimes I use send money to give him, because sometimes he don't have no money. And I me send money go give him, cause me I say you sending go give me, and me sending go give you know, and them I say for a young girl they're really different, cause you know me at 19 and them look away there. And them I say as a young girl you respect this boy, make enough girl that run go fuck other man or that run gone there so and take opportunity and go much place and that fine man there already and look something there. So them look something there, he look and he admire me for that. You understand? So no for no come and want come fuck me man and get him. You can't get him so easy. You have to plant on a seed. When the seed grow, them you go reap it. God now go make you plant on the seed and somebody else reap it. God is not that unfair. So me plant my seed, me reap it myself. So when you come to my life and hear me talk about my man and my man nice and man this no room and me so show him and when he come, no me at 27, no me talk back then. I when no come now and me and my man we come home and me like show him on the camera. Then we like yeah man nice, yeah man this and yeah man and whatever. And when you see him in a real life, when you kin out no pum pum and give him, I want to come take him from me and I go tell him say if he left me I come there we don't know and them look something there and them look whatever there and them, so you understand? So him now go left me and come to you because he know who me is, he don't know who he is. So he don't know if he's Japanese face today if I go there with him or if I go gone. But him know if in Japanese face today I will still be here for him. So my advice to Uno grow with no man. Grow with no man so no man can choose Uno. But nobody feel like I say and a man I go just there so. And the man don't know nothing boy and the man I go choose you. The man not going to choose you. The man not go choose you just so and the man don't know nothing boy you. He not go choose you. Man, if he know you and know say my girl now go do this and my girl now go that and he never did trust me when he just know me. He grew up to trust me and know say me is not like any other girl. I'm not frightened of the things and them look something there. And I'm here and him right now. And he could have lived over there so and he choose to live here so he choose to live right here so because I'm me and him. So that's how me and my man, my husband, and my baby father meet. Yeah, guys, that's how we meet. What time it? Well, I'm turning on the light. So I know just know. And I just know me and him attack long time. So me know if one girl want say they want him and say they want come take him and feed them business cause me know he will sex you cause a man him be. But you can't get him. You can't get him from me because when me and him go through, you cannot get him. Cannot get him. And I tell him to run off of Barbados, he never me alone, he come here with me, he left in job and come. And he say I best thing he ever do because he own his own garage over here. Big garage. One of the biggest garage in Barbados. He own over here. So you understand? So I'm a man that. So sometimes when people come talk about say we are whore because we have sex. We have sex the first time we see a man. Let I be a whore because me have sex with the man for first and it turn out to be my husband and turn out to be my baby father. So sometimes it's not about if you have sex with him today, if you have sex with him 3 months, it no matter what. It no matter what. Do you don't make vanity. I don't make vanity bother me in a real life because I feel like I say when you're dead, you not carry nothing with you. And that's why nothing no bother me. You see, if me could have dead and carry things with me in afterlife and finish life, yeah, I think with that problem that's pretty different. But when you're dead, you not carry nothing with you. You're not carry more than one suit of clothes on your back. And then with something you like, then throw in a castic gear. And you still can't touch it because you did your rock mouth. Nobody know what afterlife bring. So me not think me go frightened if nobody can be frightened for them vanity I know. And that's one I think you respect me about. Me not frightened for people things. Me not frightened. And as bad as thing me live very long, no boy can pine for me. When me go to Jamaica, yes boy can pine for me because Jamaica me live. But in a Barbados, no boy can pine for me. Yeah, woman can pine for me. Cause you know, me a gallus, you know. Me a gallus, yeah. Girls can pint on me. Yeah. But no man can pint on me. But woman can pint on me. I'm not gonna lie about that. Yeah. I behave myself because, you know, I love woman bad. That's why I'm sure so my woman them with my man too. And sometimes I see one sexy girl a road, you know, and the girl do business and I say, how much you do business for? And they say, no, such and such, and I say, come on, when you lie in my bed and my man come on, come so sexy you is. And when you put it on him, I saw, you know, me like them something. People say me an idiot. Should do them something about I like to do those things. Everybody live their life how they want to live it, and me not a problem with me man fucking a girl or whatever the car. And that day me know my man fuck me alone and get tired of me, and me not fuck him alone because me fuck females. Females lick me pum pum and lick my breast. If them pum pum not smell me lick it back, but if no pum pum have a smell, I ain't licking it. And me a girl, me like finger it first and suck off your breast and get it wet and then me come so. And make sure say if it smell funky, me I go tell you say it smell funky and me nah go suck it. But want it fresh and no scent, I will suck it for you. Cause me I don't have no scent, somebody think you should have none. Spicy! Yes, I think you should left now, Spicy. No, some of them know what's going on, you know. I love female. So yeah, I like to spicy up my things a little bit. Come on, sexy and you know, yeah. Yeah, I like them something there. Later spicy. Spicy, my mother, you know. I want my mother in the pan, you know. Oh.